Welcome to the next part, and before we begin, I want you to go to this web page. I have created a complete document about all the sections that we have inside the course, with a lot of bonuses, with a lot of templates, things that you are going to need along the way, right? So here we are. This is a web page special just for the students inside the course. Okay, so you can come here to puyaeti.com/smma-documents. Okay, you can write this URL on your browser, or you can on the next article I will put the link of this web page, so you can simply click on the link and jump into this web page. All right, so what do we have here? As you can see, I have created all the sections that we talked about in the previous part. We have, for example, building your agency part 1, Facebook marketing and advertisement. For example, let me open this one. There are a lot of powerful information inside each of these, and as we go forward, we are going to talk about these strategies and all the documents for you to review, to have access to all the links and the tools that we talk about. All of them exist here, right? So this is, for example, the part for Facebook ads and strategies, powerful strategies that we have here. All of them are written in bullet points. Inside the lectures, we're going to talk about them, but also you can come here yourself, you can read it, and with me, you can, for example, open a web page. With me together, we can go through these information as well, okay? All of these web pages are like this, full of useful information, right? So this is the first part of this web page. Let's go for the second part. To make you more excited and to show you how amazing this course is, along the way we are going to learn a lot of powerful tools which will help a lot in marketing, which will make our work much easier. And I selected some of these tools, put them right here, and I want to share them with you to make you more excited. And as we go forward, we are going to learn a lot about these tools and these kind of tools. Okay, so here we have, for example, like analyzer. It's a very powerful tool to analyze a Facebook page. Okay, it will tell you the weak spots. For example, let me just open it, and same as me, you can come here, click on it, and it will go to the page, and you can just come here and share the URL of a Facebook page, just paste it here, and then it will analyze that Facebook page, and it will tell you what weak spots, what strength point that Facebook page has, and how you can improve it. Okay, it's a very good website. I use it a lot. The next one is SE Optimer, and it is for analyzing a website. Okay, again, same as the other tool for Facebook, it do the same job for a website. You can come here, paste a URL of a website, and it will analyze it from every angle, and it will tell you that, all right, in this point, for example, from security, it has weaknesses, from SEO, it has weaknesses, from, for example, user experience or user interface, it has, for example, problems. Okay, it will tell you the problems, and it will also tell you how you can improve it. So it will be very helpful for you along the way in digital marketing. So the next tool, which is extremely powerful, I have been using it for the past couple of years, and I think I introduced this tool to more than 5,000-6,000 students, and they used it, they loved it. It's powerful. Everliker is a Chrome extension. You can install it on your Chrome browser. So what this extension does, it will use your Instagram account to like some specific post according to the task that you give them. This way, you will grab the attention of many people out there, and they come online. They are your, for example, potential follower. They come online and they see there's a like from a page. They click on it. They come to your page. They will like your page and they will follow you. Not all of them, but this way you can grow your page, and it's a very powerful tool. As you can see, I have it right up here. Let me just quickly show you. I have installed, I recently changed my Chrome, but I think this tool liked more than 1 million posts from my account, so it's very powerful. The next one is Buffer. Again, a very powerful platform to do to schedule posts. Okay, you can schedule a lot of posts. For example, you can upload 50 posts on Buffer and upload them and tell Buffer that, for example, upload 1 post per day, 2 posts per day at these hours on Facebook, on Instagram, Pinterest, and so on. It's very amazing, very helpful for marketing, and I have been using it for a long time. The other one is text overlay, very powerful tool from Facebook that will analyze your images for advertisement. Again, as we go forward, we will talk about this. And we have 2 tools here which will help you regarding business and entrepreneurship view. When you want to create your agency, when you want to register it, you can use these tools as well. Okay. And there is another thing that I want to share it with you. Till now, it has been a great experience for me and for most of my students, and I want you to be part of it. So here we have a private business and marketing group on Facebook. Right now that I'm recording, it has more than 2,000 members. On this group, we have many different experts in marketing and in business entrepreneurship. So when you have a question, you can come here, you can ask others, you can interact with other members, other students to learn more. If, for example, you learn something new from somewhere else, you can come here, share it with others, and others will do it as well. And beside that, we are going to have weekly, most of the time we have it weekly live calls. We talk about, for example, we have question and answer sessions. When I want to share important information, powerful tools, I come here on Facebook on this group, and we have live sessions as well. So you can come here, click on this link, and go to the Facebook group and join our group. All right, so more or less that was all about this lecture, and I hope you are excited. I am as well, and if you're ready, let's begin the next lecture.